Today we are taking a look at the Instagram creator Hasnat Land Samaya. Although she has built a growing presence on Instagram with more than 9,000 followers, very little personal information about her is publicly available. She has not shared a official biography and details such as her age, birthplace, education, or professional background remaining undisclosed. This privacy has only includes a curiosity of her follower. Rather than revealing much about her personal life, her online presence is speaks through the content she shares. As of now, there is no verified Wikipedia page or official biography dedicated to Hasnat Land Samaya. If she continues to grow her audience, more verified information may become